Okay, let me show you how you can take a screenshots and save it in a particular folder. So all you have to do is first create a new folder. Let's say this folder. I just created new, and you can put a name like screenshots. Okay. Now just go to your terminal. You can all you can do is on the keyboard is press command and space, and then type terminal. Hit enter. Okay. Now we are on the terminal, and you have to do and use this command defaults right com.apple.screencapture location. So you have to give a location to this folder. So maybe you can use the shortcut like pray use and drop the folder over here. It will grab the location of that folder and you can hit enter. Now you are good to use that one. So in order to take a screenshots, you can press the command shift and 3. That will take a screenshot of the entire screen and save it in this folder. Okay, and now you can take a custom screenshot of a particular area with like command shift and 4, and then you can move over on the screen and it captures and stores in the this folder. Yep, that's the custom screenshot. Okay, that's how you can do it.